Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you an important option that is add customizers data in Google Ads tools and settings. So what is this option and how exactly we can use for creating ads? Let us see. So now let's get started. So first of all, let us get into this business data under setup. Okay. So what is this business data? If I click this plus icon, it shows you three items like add customizer data, page feeder. What is this customizer data? Now let's say I have a question for you. Let's say I am going to target my locations like a Hyderabad, okay, and Delhi and Bangalore. How many campaigns I have to create now if I want to reach out at three locations, Hyderabad, Delhi, and Bangalore? Could you please tell me? Sure. In one campaign, can I target three locations at a time?
Yes.
Yes, we can do. Right. Now, what happens here? Under that campaign, I have choose the three locations. Now, what happens under that same campaign? I will be creating a different ad groups. Got it? So now, what happens here? Let's say when someone searches for digital marketing course, I want to show them the headline which consists of digital marketing course only. When someone searches for digital marketing training, I want to show them the the headline which consists of digital marketing training. So is that possible for me now? Let's say a person who lives in Delhi, when he searches for digital marketing course, can I show him exactly the digital marketing course text present in the headlines? Is that possible for me? Yes. So let's say I have chosen three locations and I'll be having a few ad groups. Under that ad groups, I'll be creating the so many ads, like up to 50 ads I can create. So is it possible for you to show the exact course means course, training means training? So can we do that? Can we do that? Yes, yes. Yeah.
By
Tell me.
exact match phrase.
Okay, so that is a keyword again. So I'm asking, my question is that, so we will be having some three headlines, right? So in the three headlines, we are trying to put some text. So in the headline, one, I will be using digital marketing course. When someone searches for digital marketing course, can I show the exact digital marketing course? So could
When
you
we
guarantee that Google will show you only that Google, digital marketing course thing?
no,
Can we
Chitra.
guarantee? No, right?
Yeah,
So that is what to customize the data. So it is now at the time, what you have to do, you can just get into the one more campaign and you can target at the particular location and you can just choose the this ad group, right? Digital marketing. In such a way, let us say that you're gonna have a 10 locations. So at the time, creating the campaigns and creating the ad groups and ads for all 10 locations would be like a difficult for you. So that's the reason at the time I'll be using this add customizer data. I'll just show you now one Excel sheet. So here, add customizer data. So select from your computer. So first of all, we should have the data. So what you want to customize in the Google Ads. So if you can see here, there are a few things I just listed out here. Headline 1, headline 2, location matched. So big data course, big data training, big data course training, and my locations are Hyderabad, Delhi, and Bangalore. So now my question is that, so when someone searches for big data course from Hyderabad, so I will be showing the exact big data course. When someone searches for big data training from Hyderabad, I'll be showing the big data training. Can you see now?
Yes.
Yes or no? So this is why it is very useful. Now again, so now when someone searches for big data course in Delhi, I'll be showing this headline. When someone searches for big data course in Bangalore, I'll be showing this headline. Again, so now if you can see, a person who searches from Hyderabad for a query called big data course. So I will be showing my headline like a 9th September. Let us say that you have a multiple locations, like you have an institute located in multiple locations, like Delhi, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. So at that time, you will be having a different new batches, and you may not start the same batch at the same time. So at the time, let's say in Bangalore, I'm going to start on a particular day like 20th September, and Delhi, I'm going to start a new batch like September 19th and all. So at that time, so is it good to show my ad when someone searches for any location showing the same batch timings and same batch date? So now let's say Vinay and then Fani and Mansa. Three people are from Hyderabad, Delhi, and Bangalore. So now my intention is that when someone searches from Bangalore, so I want to show them that 28th September. Why? Because my ad, I am going to start a new batch at 20th September. Got it. So now what happens? So if Funny from Delhi, if he searches for a big data course, so can I show the same, like, can I show the different headline? Is that possible when I go with a normal creation of campaigns? Tell me. So in the normal creation of campaigns, I'll be having few ad groups and I'll be having a few ads. That's it. So now in that, I can't guarantee what exactly Google will show to my audience, whoever searches from different locations. I can't guarantee. So that's the reason here. When someone searches for some Hyderabad, and if they searches with a keyword called big data course, I'll be showing this headline 1 and headline 2. And if someone searches from Hyderabad and my with a query called big data training, I'll be showing this training on 9th September. And then Delhi, big data course, 12th September and big data course. And from Delhi, 12th September, big data training. And from Bangalore, 20th September, big data course and big data training, 20th September. So yes, of course, you can have the headlines and headlines too, but not in a multiple locations, but not in one campaign. At the time, you have to create a different campaigns and different ad groups. So this helps you to save your time. So this is what called automation. Okay. So that's the reason we use this ad customizer data. So you just need to select this file. That's it. Okay. So first of all, prepare the data, what exactly you want. Okay. And then you can just name your data. Okay. And then select from computer file. You can just choose the file and apply it. And then click on apply.